se pleci, dar numa ei, numa ei.
To show you how you can make it look like there's many errors and draw a good yet one something like that thing. So this is art. So first what you're going to do is to draw something. I will draw something like so I will draw my own. So I will draw a star here. So then what you're going to do, then after drawing that thing, what you're going to do is to select the rectangular selection and then transparent, because we're going to be doing transparently. After this thing, we will know how we can do it with part 2. So then select it, then click on copy, then press Ctrl V, or then press Ctrl V at the same time, or Ctrl plus V. You can right click and then select paste, and then what we're going to do is to move on the shift key and then move it. So I'll click here. So press shift plus the whole press and hold down the shift key and until you move. Then when you move, as you can see this drawing, easy as that. You can fill it with many stars. You can fill it with many stars, and when you stop it doing it, you have to press the shift key again to do it. And you can also release the shift key and then do the same with still, because it's not restricted, because it's available and it's a good hidden feature for you to make good one. So now let's know how we can make it untransparently. So to make it untransparently, you have to click on transparent and then remove the tick, and that is right here, and the transparent selection. So click on it and then do the same steps. Select it, press and hold the shift key, and then move it. Sorry, I forgot to copy it, so then V, and then do that thing that done before. And also, guys, can you make a website including me for my own, so I can show your name for making my own one. And as you can see, this time it messes up, so you can try this. So now you have learned how we can do it. I bought by selecting the transparent transparency and non-transparent. So you have to choose this thing all the time. But still, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye.